Yes. My lord, I beg to mention item number 26 and 27. So I have some personal difficulties, not feeling very well. 26, my lord, can this be listed on 18th of December, my lord?
28th of December.
My lord. 26.
On the request of the Learned Counsel, Mr. Diki Pangi, the matter stands adjourned today, list on 28 December,
18, my lord.
18 December.
And
26 and 27.
26, my lord. 27 after a week, my lord.
27 is after a week.
After a week.
In 27, list after a week. In 26, 18 December.
Okay.
Yes.
Please, my lord. My lord, I beg to mention item number 23.
Yes.
My lord, I'm appealing for the state respondents, my lord. Here. I humbly pray that it may be adjourned for the day, my lord, and fix after 2 weeks.
Who is for a petition?
Petitioner, Mr. R. Suikya, my lord. I'll inform you, my lord.
You inform me.
My lord.
On the request of the Learned Counsel, Mr. Opada, appearing for the state respondent. The hearing is adjourned.
Your Lord, praying for item number 1, which is in the motion stage. The conducting counsel is M.K. Das, Manjit Kumar Das. He comes from Guwahati, and as of now, he couldn't come due to the short notice. Asked for of 23rd. Yes, Your Lordship.
23rd, bench will not sit on 25.
Your Lordship, when will the next
28.
28th? All right, Your Lordship.
28.
28th.
This matter has on the basis of a request, in fact, my lord, before my lord. So 28.
28th or 28th.
You are Emily.
Yes, Your Lordship, I'm Emily.
Heard the Learned Counsel, Mr. Emily, appearing for a petitioner. Heard Mr. J. Seri, the Learned Public Prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Mr. Billy prays for an adjournment. Stop. After considering the ground shown for adjournment, the matter stands adjourned accordingly. List on 28th November.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
May I, my lord?
Yes.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 16, my lord.
16. Yes, it is an I.
Yes, my lord. Due to some health issue, leading counsel for the petitioner, my lord, Esther is not able to appear today, my lord. So
16 is tagged with 17, 18, 19 or 17, 18.
16, 17, 18, my lord.
16, 17, 18.
18, yes.
You are appearing for STI.
Esther, my lord.
What is your name?
N. Novang, my lord.
The Learned Counsel, Mr. So-and-so. Appearing on behalf of the Learned Conducting Counsel, Mr. S. Tai, prays for an adjournment on the ground that Mr. Tai is indisposed.
2 weeks, my lord.
I have also heard Mr. Opada appearing for a respondent who has not objected to it. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned. List after 2 weeks.
Obliged.
Obliged, my lord.
May I, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 5 and 15. As the conducting counsel is out of station.
5 and
15. Your Lordship, I have taken the consent
15.
of the other parties.
You are for the petitioner.
For 5, I am for the respondent, Your Lordship.
Okay. What is your name?
J. Taipodia.
Have you taken consent from the
Yes,
side?
Your Lordship.
The Learned Counsel, Mr. J. Typodia, appearing for the respondent, prays for an adjournment and also submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter stands adjourned.
5th January. Yes.
On 5th January for admission hearing. And item number 15. 15 you are for?
Petitioner.
You are for the petitioner. Same order, just appearing for the petitioner, not respondent.
Much obliged.
Yes.
May I, my lord?
My lord, I beg to mention item number 22. My lord, cancel J Carter station. J
Knowledge?
Carter.
A G card. Conducting Kato submits that Kato is out of it's a joke. When do you want it? Learned Counsel, Mr.
T. Yatsu.
T. Gasu. Appearing for a petitioner submits to the learned conducting counsel, Mr. B. Kaushik. He is out of station and on the ground and adjournment has been paid for. The learned counsel further submits that he has already informed the other side. Accordingly, the matter is adjourned today. When do you want it?
Your lordship, there is interim, kindly it may be
When do you want it? When do you want it?
after 3 weeks.
At least 3 weeks. Same order past will continue until then.
Deeply, your lordship.
Yes.
Sorry, I believe there is no interim order, my lord. That has, interim.
There is
Yeah,
no interim order.
no interim.
So then that line is not required.
Oh, yes, okay.
Yes.
Item number 2.
Here, petitioners and respondents is the same village, that is going to put 2 villages into it. The plot of land is belong to the petitioners. Yeah, in the year 2014 and 15, your Trans Highway construction, yeah, the Hoj to Nechipu, NH 229. The respondents plots above the BRO road, yours. Earlier that is BRO road. And the petitioner's plot is the lower side of the BRO road. That the trans highway, the alignments above the BRO road. The what happened that the respondents plot completely gone in the trans highway alignment, and the respondents taking compensation to it. Therefore, the respondents shifted in other places, other turning points. Therefore, thereafter, the petitioner requested to the company, construction company, that is Sushi company, for filling up the soil. That is the disputed plot is not the plain that time. Accordingly, the companies fill up the dumping that soil in the plot. And during that time and after the filling up the soil, the respondents did not claim the particular disputed plot. Kindly see the page 15, Annexure 1. This is the letter of the company, which is the dumping in the disputed plot as per request of the petitioners. Page 15.
Yes.
Then what happened, Your Lordship? Thereafter, there is no any dispute by the respondents. What happened in the year 2021? Then the respondent started claim that they are disputed plots. And one page 7, Your Lordship, para 8. That in the year 2021, the respondent approached one Srinam Takyal, resident of Lepurang, that is other circle, for settle the dispute. Page 7 years. Then what happened that the particular persons try to settle the disputed plot. But what happened again, the respondent did not ready to what they decided by that he engaged, that is Nam Takyal. Thereafter, Your Lordship, then again, surprisingly, the petitioner received one notice copy. That is Old Sagali Subdivision Gangbra Association, Your Lordship. That is para 9, Your Lordship. For visiting site verification of the disputed plot of land on 11/5/2023. Through this notice, Your Lordship, the petitioner learned that the respondent lodged a complaint before the Gangbra Association.
So what is the order you are challenging? The order of the mail you are challenging?
Yeah, Your Lordship, no, I'm not the owner of I'm not challenging the owner of the mail because I am only challenged the notice given by the Gangbra Association, Your Lordship. As per the Assam Frontier Regulation Act, Your Lordship, there is no any provision for Gangbra Association, Your Lordship. There is a village authority, Your Lordship. So
You are challenging only the notice.
yes, Your Lordship.
But here you have written that impugned local mail order dated 60.
Yes, sir. The notice is sir, for local mail, sir. Yet to the sitting mail.
Oh, sorry. Where is the notice? Page number?
Page number, Your Lordship. 29, Your Lordship.
Huh?
29.
29.
This is the latest amendment of the Assam Frontier Regulation Act. Your Lordship.
Just a minute. This is the notice 29.
Yes, sir.
Local mail.
Yes. Yeah.
Oh, it's, on-
This is the order 14/11/24, Your Lordship. The mail date is fixed on 21, that is tomorrow, 21/11/2023, Your Lordship. Although, Your Lordship, here
What is the amended portion?
Your Lordship, kindly page 2, para 9, Your Lordship, kindly see this amendment. Substitute of section 29. In the principal regulation in the section 24 of the existing entry of the following shall be substituted. Any party aggrieved by the decision of the village authority may be appealed within 30 days before the inter-village territorial customary court or apex customary court by whatever name called on who receive of such appeal shall dispose of the case. Your Lordship, there is no any given in the Gangbra Association. There is village authority. Where is in go to put village? That is sufficient the village authority. There is the 4 GBs, including the respondents. So there is sufficient the village authority to settle the disputed case because they are well known. And moreover, whatever that notice given by that is 14/11/2022 given by this Gangbra Association. There's no any Gangbra member mentioned in given in this belong from go to village. This is why I'm challenging this order.
Right. Who is for a respondent?
Respondent is the Chikaya. That is same village. This is the head GB of the particular village. You know. And a member of this Gangbra Association. That is why they try to influence this Gangbra Association and issue notice to the petitioners and settle the before this Gangbra Associations. Where is the petitioner already requested to the village authority in the
Now,
earlier?
who is Techi Kaya?
Tikaya is the head GB, Your Lordship, of the Gotuputu.
Head GB.
Yes, head GB of the Gotuputu village. That is responding.
Okay. He is appearing or not?
No, Your Lordship.
He is not yet appearing. Now, who filed this objection? Affidavit in objection filed.
Affidavit of objection is not filed, Your Lordship.
The additional affidavit filed by the petitioner. Oh, this is not objection.
No, Your Lordship, this is the additional affidavit filed by me, Your Lordship.
Oh, you filed.
But, because the last author of this on-roll court
Oh,
directed to the objection application filed before the Gangra Association.
okay.
That is why I'm the filing that because
I will state the mail.
yesterday already started yours at 17th.
Heard the learned counsel, Mr. M. Kato. You are M. Kato?
No, yours T Gadi.
G.
T
Gatti.
Gadi.
Appearing for the petitioner. Issue notice to the sole respondent. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by registered postage ID. Para. Least after 4 weeks. Till returnable date. What is the mail? Where is your prayer?
Prayer is your Lordship.
Pending till returnable date.
Yes.
Uh,
Page 30 also.
Now page starting.
Sir, till then interim prayer may be given.
Till returnable date. The local mail order
Yes, local mail order
number SGL stroke GB stroke L dash mail MEL dash 01 stroke 2023 dated 14/11/2023 issued under the banner of ASSDGBWA shall remain stayed till returnable date. That will remain stayed. Okay. After 4 weeks.
of oblique.
May I please, Lordship? Primarily matrimonial issue, Lordship. So this is joint petition filed by the petitioner. One is the complainant and two is the alleged victim.
It is a
And-
joint petition.
Yes, joint petition. And petitioner.
Who are the petitioner? Husband and wife?
Yes, husband, wife, yes. The thing is that this petition number 1 and 2 and 3 were fall in love with each other, Your Honor. So, but this petitioner 1 is the elder brother of the petition number 2, Your Honor. So he was not agree with their love affairs.
Then he filed the FIR.
Yes, he filed the FIR before the Sapa police station in the year 2022, Your Honor. So on the basis of that, police has registered under section 3762 IJ clause A, IPC read with section 6 of the POXO Act on the basis of that birth certificate of her younger sister to be 14 years, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, during the course of this investigations, the police has arrested this petitioner number 3, who is accused of this case, Your Honor. So he was in jail, and this honorable court has granted bail to the petitioner number 3, Your Honor. So, Your Honor, in the case is now in the stage of evidence, Your Honor. So what happened, Your Honor? After this evidence, under the evidence stage, Your Honor, all these persons, Your Honor, family members, they were gathered and they settled the problem, Your Honor. So accordingly, we have annexed the deed of settlement in phase number, Lordship, and the annexure number 3, page number 92, Lordship.
Okay,
So
I
may
think I should go through the LCR.
Yes.
Saying what this is.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Since this is a case of a POXO, my lord.
Yes, that is why
So-
LCR will be required.
Required, my lord.
that can
Scan
be,
copy of the LCR.
Yes,
I will call.
yes.
Heard,
no.
Mr.
Lordship, my small prayer is that that's proceeding maybe, Your Honor, stay till disposal.
In case if a proceeding is being stayed, my lord, let there be a direction to both the parties to appear before this honorable court, since they are appearing before this court solely on the ground that they are married now.
Oh,
We are not sure whether they are married or not, since this is a matter of a POXO, my lord. Let
Lordship,
there be a direction, my lord, since
to appear before this court.
this court, my lord. So to ascertain whether they are married or not, my lord.
Heard, Mr. What is your name?
Titopo.
T. Toko. appearing for the petitioner. Heard Mr. J. Singh, the learned public prosecutor. Call for the LCR of, what is the case number?
Case number is PAPI is
Call for the scanned copy of the case record of
0222 Lordship.
Huh?
Sapa Women Police Station 0222.
Charge sheet.
It is charge sheeted.
Yeah.
So what is the case number of court?
The Lordship charge sheet number 02/2023.
My lord, POXO
Of
case
GR
number,
number.
POXO case number 4 of 2023.
Call for the scanned copy of the case record of POXO case number
Four of-
04 of
2023.
2023.
22.
23, my lord.
23 Lordship.
23.
Yes.
Pending in the court of
Special Judge Bomdila, additional
Special
settle.
Judge Bomdila. Para. It is also directed that both Srimati Akap Cheri and Sri Bulu
Makang.
Makang shall appear before this court on the next date. When the record will come?
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks.
2 weeks.
Least after 2 weeks.
Much only.
Yes.
My lord, this is a joint petition under 482 for quashing of charge sheet number 13/2023
What is
relating
the offense?
offense is 324. Both are family relatives and living in same compound and as a friend, but the incident happened in a bar and bar restaurant. But the incident was not in between them. The argument was in between the staff of that bar, but later on, instead this petition number 2 victim was controlling the argument, but unfortunately he got injured in this push and pull incident. So, learned Chief Judicial Magistrate UPI has charge sheeted, and charge sheet is in page number 24 of the instant petition.
Charge sheet filed under what sections?
324.
324.
Yes.
What is say, Lakshmi? What is your opinion?
Lordship, here Lordship, the 320, as per the Lordship charges, 324 is well established Lordship, and but here Lordship in the framing of charge CC Lordship 506 they have dropped Lordship. So Lordship, we have to Lordship call for the Lordship, scan copy Lordship.
Scan copy.
Yes, Lordship, and this is Lordship. If they have Lordship come under settlement Lordship,
Mutual settlement.
mutual
it is
settlement,
also.
then it can become 324 is Lordship. Only Lordship.
Okay, then I will call the scan copy of the record.
Lordship.
Heard, Mr.
T-Keeper and Lordship, meanwhile, there is interim prey because that is fixed for this prosecution witness.
You want stay of proceedings?
Yes.
I will stay.
Yes.
Heard, Mr. T.
T
Kipa,
yes, T-Keeper.
appearing for the petitioner. Heard MSH Lakshmi, the learned additional public prosecutor Arunachal Pradesh. Call for the case record of what is the case number?
New Jersey PS case number 08/2023
What is the case number recorded in the court?
in the court.
Oh.
That's New Jersey
Yeah.
PS case number 2000.
What is the PS case number?
GR 981 and 2022.
Here, call for the scan copy of the case record of GR case number
981
981 of
2022.
2022
Lordship.
from the court of the
Chief Judicial Magistrate,
Judicial Magistrate,
Chief
UPI.
Magistrate,
UPI.
UPI. Least after 4 weeks, till returnable date. The further proceeding of that case, GR case number so and so pending in the court of Chief Judicial Magistrate UPI shall remain stayed.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Honor? No, no, I'm taking adjournment for this matter today because my senior is out of station.
Out of station?
Yes, ma'am. The matter may kindly be fixed on a particular date, that is on 5th of December.
Okay. What is your name?
T.Y. Bhutia.
Huh?
T.Y. Bhutia.
The Learned Counsel MS,
T.Y. Bhutia.
appearing for the appellant, submits to the Learned Conducting Counsel, Mr.
M. Pertin.
Is out of station. And on that ground, an adjournment has been prayed for. I have also heard Mr.
K. Tamam.
K. Tamang, appearing for the respondent. The matter stands adjourned to on
5th of December.
Do you agree?
My lord.
On 5th of December. 5th of December.
Highly
2020.
Be obliged.
Yes.
Your Honor, this is for passing of criminal case, which is being tried under 332 and 353 in the Coloriang JMFC. My lord, they have settled the matter outside the court, and I have already annexed. I have annexed in page number 39 settlement copy.
39.
Yes.
Deed of settlement agreement.
Yes.
Where is the FIR?
FIR is page number 16. My lord.
16.
Yes, yes. My lord, the police they have not found anything against the alleged the present petitioner number 1. They filed as FR, final report, stating that nothing was found against this particular petitioner number 1. So, FR is in page number 19.
Page number 19.
Yes, this is FR. Last page, page number 20, it is.
Just a minute.
Yes. During the investigation, no witnesses has revealed the physical class by Sri Lokam Tasar upon the complainant, and also gave any provocative influence to the supporter by the alleged accused person found to be established in the case. Therefore, I pray the Honorable Court to discharge him from liability of arrest and bail. Since the case is pending for long, all possible reports.
Where you were right?
I'm in page number 20. Actually, the same page. This.
Para 20.
Yeah, last para.
para.
Last para.
No witnesses revealed the physical. During investigation, no witness has revealed physical place
Your Honor, in this case, Deputy Commissioner who was, this is election, during that time, election process was going on. During that time, Deputy Commissioner who was District Election Officer was also the witness. And that police inspector was also witnesses, but nobody had seen to be involved by the present petitioner number 1. So both
Lokam Tasa is the petitioner.
Yes, both are.
But no charge is filed against you.
Yes, no charge, but learned judicial Mrs. First Class, they have taken cognizance.
Oh, oh. Now you have compromised the matter.
Yes, we have already compromised the matter. And punishment is also not more than 2 years or fine. Another one is
under what section?
Section 332.
332. What is 332?
332, voluntarily causing hurt to deter public servant from his duty.
Oh, okay.
Then its punishment is punishment for 3 years or fine.
Oh.
Other one is section 353. Its punishment is not more than 3 years or fine.
Imprisonment for 3 years or fine.
Yes,
For both.
or fine can also be imposed only.
Non-cognizant.
Yes. So even if trial goes on, there are no chances of conviction because they have settled the matter outside the court also.
Who is the informant in this case?
Informant is one DLRSO.
Jili Gyama.
Informant is Jill Gamar.
Jil Gyama.
Yes.
He has put his signature or not?
Yes, yes.
In the compromise deed?
Yes, yes, they have.
Was he a magistrate?
No, actually, he was, as per his statement, he was, he says that he was orally instructed by the Deputy Commissioner, Koloriang, to check the vehicle movement during that period.
Jil Gyama. Yes, what is your opinion?
Yes, as per charge sheet, police also already exonerate the accused, and they have been arrived into settlement also. Out of 9 witnesses, 4 already examined, and injury report so simple in nature, tenderness causing tenderness, and other witnesses also not directly speaking about accused involvement. So I like to leave this court to pass any appropriate order.
Okay, the proceeding will be quashed.
Right.
Obliged.
Much obliged.
PP number. What is the name of the PP? And lawyer's name? Item number 8.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is an application under section 482 for quashing of Pasar this the proceeding pending before the learned special number 8 POXO case number 1 of 2021, Lordship. This is a joint petition, Lordship, preferred by the 3 petitioners, accused person, mother of the third Lordship. FIR, if I may, Lordship.
It is a POXO case.
Yes, Lordship. They are married, Lordship.
Married.
They are married. They have a 1-year-old child, Lordship. We have come on the basis of a settlement, Lordship. And there are some facts, if I may be allowed to highlight, Lordship.
They are married or not?
Yes.
They are married, Lordship. They have a 1-year-old child as well, Lordship.
In fact, Your Lordship, if Your Lordship come to the agreement annexure 3 at page number 31, Lordship. Though this is a marriage agreement, Your Lordship, Lordship will find at page number 32 the condition given, Your Lordship. Any agreement, the condition given in an agreement has to be implied, Your Lordship. Now, Your Lordship will see point number 3 and 4. Now, if these 2 conditions has been complied or not, Your Lordship, because this is
not yet performed nikah.
Lordship, as informed, they have been living as husband and wife after performance of nikah,
But
Lordship.
they have to perform nikah.
Lordship, the record, Lordship, as such, we don't have it now, Lordship.
the other condition is that they'll have to register their marriage under Special Marriage Act.
Their marriage is registered or not?
The registration, Lordship, we have not been informed. I believe the registration part, Lordship, I have to confirm, Lordship.
First of all, you do those 2 things, then come again. I will fix the matter in the month of December.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, can the interim prayer maybe continue, Lordship?
Interim prayer.
Interim stay. They were stay given, Lordship.
Okay, I will stay the proceeding. Heard Mr.
Jita, Lordship.
Jita appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS J. Jini. the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Assam, leads the matter in the month of December 2023. Till returnable date, the further proceeding of special case number
1 of 2020.
1 of
1 of 2021.
01 of
21 Lordship.
2021,
Yes.
pending in the court of
Yeah, additional district special code, special judge Basar Lordship. POCSO.
special court Basar,
Yes.
Salem State.
Much obliged.
By that time, you do those two things,
Yes, Lordship.
nikah and marriage, special marriage.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Lordship, in item number 9, the service on all the respondents, respondent number 2 to 20 are still awaited, Your Lordship.
Still awaited.
Yes, Your Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. RMS J. Gini, the learned additional public prosecutor appearing for the respondent number 1.
Respondent number 1, Your Lordship.
Respondent number 1. Notices issued to the other respondents have not yet returned. Since the petitioner is absent on call, the matter is adjourned today, list after 2 weeks.
Deeply approved.
All the respondents are present or not?
Lordship,
Yes.
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of Mr. D.K. Dury, the counsel for respondent number 2 and 3. He is not well today, so the matter may be adjourned.
Okay, Parmet, do you have objection?
No, my lord. It seems, my lord, I have some miss or something, my lord. In term order passed in IA number 23, my lord, I need to, my lord, take step to new respondent, my lord, 4, my lord.
Respondent number 4.
4, my lord. I will pray, my lord, I may be allowed to take step upon respondent number 4, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. L. Parme, appearing for the petitioner, heard MS.
Somila.
Huh?
Somila.
Appearing for
On
the-
behalf of D.K. Dury.
appearing on behalf of learned conducting counsel, Mr. D.K. Dury,
Yes, Lordship.
comma, the counsel for the respondent number,
2 and 3.
respondent number 2 and 3, prays for an adjournment on the ground that Mr. Dury is indisposed. Mr. Parme has not objected to it. The prayer of adjournment is allowed. The matter stands adjourned accordingly. However, it is directed that the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by registered post AD. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship, the name of the counsel D.K. Dury is not reflected in the post.
Office is directed to show the name of Mr. D.K. Deary as the counsel representing the respondents
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
High level.
Well, yes.
Lordship, as per office note dated 15/11/22.
Service report in respect
still
to respondent
awaited.
number 2 not yet received.
Lordship.
You want to wait?
Lordship, we have taken steps twice already, and we have taken steps in the month of March. So, and as per my instruction, I was informed by the client that they have, the respondent side may have already received the
But the
notice.
report is not available. We will
Yes.
need the report. You can do one thing. Where does he stay?
Lordship,
Changlang.
Changlang district, his address will be,
You can serve the notice to the officer in charge of the police station.
Lordship, we can do that.
That can be done. You want it?
It
Yes,
will be done,
Lordship, I
Lordship.
think that will be better.
It will
because-
be better, Lordship.
It will be
Yes,
better. Hard MS.
Somila.
Waiting for the petitioner. Hard MS G. Lakshmi, the learned additional PP for the state of Assam. seen the office note dated 15/11/2023. The petitioner is directed to take steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 2 through the local, through the officer in charge of the local police station of the given address. List after 4 weeks.
Lordship, it may be listed after 2 weeks because the pen.
After 2 weeks.
Deeply obliged. Obliged.
Criminal petition.
Yes, my lord. My lord, this is a criminal appeal against acquittal, my lord.
Criminal appeal.
Yes, my lord. And IA number 1, my lord, is an application for
The
leave
sta-
for filing the
state-
appeal.
State is appealing.
Yes, my lord. It's an application under 378(2) of the CRPC.
Okay, all right. Heard Mr. Opada. The learned counsel for the state appellant.
My lord.
The appeal is admitted for hearing. Which you notice to the respondents.
My lord, there are 2 IAs, my lord.
Hmm?
There are 2 IAs, my lord. IA number 1 is
And number 1 is for what?
grant of leave for filing an appeal, my lord. The instant petition. And IA number 2 is for condonation of delay up to 326 days, my lord.
Where are the eyes? Criminal appeal. I number 1.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, it's. In I number 01
Yes, my lord.
of 2023. For leave, notice is not required to be served.
My lord, as per 378(2) CRPC, since it is an appeal from acquittal, my lord. So
Notice is required to be.
yeah, no, not notice, my lord. Leave is to be granted by the Honorable High Court, my lord, for filing an appeal, my lord.
No, that is why I am asking. For giving leave, notice is required.
No, my lord, no, my lord. So this can be disposed of, yes, my lord. But then notice may be issued in the I number, the second I.
Heard Mr. Upadhyay, the learned counsel for the state appellant. Leave is granted. (372)(3).
Yes, my lord.
CRPC.
Subclause 2, my lord.
Just a minute. 378 subclause 2.
My lord.
Use of acquittal. Okay, Upadhyay, appealing for a state appellant. Leave is granted for appealing against the judgment dated 30/06/2022.
My lord.
Passed by the special judge Lakhimpur, not Lakhimpur, in what is the case number?
Special Vigilance Transfer Case number 1 of 2010. Page number 27, my lord.
Page number 27.
Yes, ma'am.
In special vigilance to VIG, within bracket, VIG, within bracket, capital T, case number 01 of 2010, passed by the Special Judge Lakhimpur at North Lakhimpur. The IAS has disposed of accordingly. And where is the appeal? I number 2 is for what?
Condonation of delay, my lord.
For that, location go.
Yes, my lord. I 38, my lord.
0102. Written as 20. It should have been 02 or 0.
No,
It is
I
written
number
as 20.
38.
Huh?
38.
Where is your petition? It is written here as 20. Huh? 01 already disposed of, no? It is 01. What is leave is granted? It is disposed of. Then 02.
No, 38, my lord.
What?
Chota wala one. Small one.
38.
38, yes.
In I number 38. Heard Mr. E. Opada, the learned counsel for the state appellant.
There is a delay of 226 days, my lord.
Issue notice to the respondents. The applicant shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondents by registered post AD. List after 4 weeks.
My lord. Only.
Yes.
May I assign, my lord?
Hmm.
In term, my lord, as directed, my lord, I took a step to respond in 5-6 to OCPS, my lord, Tato, my lord. It seems report is awaited, my lord.
Awaited.
My lord. Report we got from OCPS Tato, my lord. To
5 and 6.
5 and 6, my lord.
So you want to wait again?
Wait, my lord, recon maybe again call for my lord from the OCPS, my lord. I have taken a step, my lord.
Okay.
Whether
I've been informed, your lordship, the service report has just been received by the registry.
Okay. So it will take some time.
No.
This morning. Oh, sorry. Oh, it is received. It is,
if report is received, my lord, let wait one time, my lord, one more time for appearance of the respondent, my lord.
no, notice is duly served.
Then the man.
Yes.
Tapul Loriak versus
Since your lordship, the report has been received this morning, if the matter is fixed for hearing disposal, your lordship, on the next date, any date.
okay. Heard Mr. L. Parme, appearing for the petitioner, RMS J. Genie, we learned additional public prosecutor, representing the respondents 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, your lordship.
Para. The report pertaining to the notices issued to the respondents five and 6 has returned after service. So what about 4? Notice served or not? Service is awaited for a
4, my lord, I think already served, my lord, on earlier occasion, my lord. That's why I was.
Your lordship, it's been told that the service on respondent number 4 is awaited. Rest of them, it has been served.
Um, 4 is
Then, my lord, I will serve the service to port through OCPS again, my lord.
not yet served. What
No.
you will do?
I will serve again, my lord.
Again,
Take step, my
yes.
lord. To upon the respondent form.
The petitioner is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the respondent number 4 by registered postage.
Through my lord, yes, register through register post, my lord, or through OCPS Tato, my lord.
Not Tato, Alo.
OCPS. Hello, my lord.
Allo. Through the directed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 through the concerned police station of the given address.
Yes.
How much time it will take?
The 3 weeks, my lord.
Least after 3 weeks.
High level.
Deep.
My lord, this is an application for quashing and setting aside of the complaint petition being share number 100/22 filed by the respondent herein as
But the
complainant.
notice upon the respondent number 1 is not yet served.
My lord, we have,
Address is not found. What you will do now?
my lord, notice we have sent.
But the report has come that the address is not found.
Then my lord, in the last occasion, my interim prayer could not be heard because this is a NI Act 138. What has happened in this case is the respondent has deported
What was your interim prayer for stay?
for stay.
Okay, I will stay. But what about the notice upon respondent number 1?
My lord will take a fresh, I may be allowed to take a fresh step.
Okay. At the learned counsel, Mr.
T. Sunil.
T.
Sunil.
T. Sunil, appearing for the petitioner. Seen the office note dated 02/11/2023. The petitioner is directed to take fresh steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent with proper address. Pair. Least after 4 weeks. Till returnable date, the further proceeding of, what is the case number? Where it is mentioned?
Case number, share case number 100/2022.
CR case number 100/2022. Pending in the court of
Judicial Magistrate First Class at UPR.
Judicial Magistrate First Class UPR shall remain stayed.
My lord, I may be allowed to take alternative mode of service also, dusty service.
Okay. The petitioner is also allowed to take steps for service of notice upon the sole respondent by dusty also.
Highly obliged.
Okay.
By please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is joint criminal petition for quashing of the FIR, which was registered being Basar PS case number 1 of 2020 under section 292 AIPC. Since both the accused and the complainant has mutually settled the disputes, FIR, Lordship, may take you to the FIR at phase number 14.
Notice served or not?
Your lordship, if I may
Completed.
explain the,
Since here, Lordship, all are the petitioner, joint petition. Lordship.
Joint petition.
Yes, Lordship.
if I may explain the circumstances, your lordship, what happened on the previous occasion when the matter came up, your lordship. Your lordship, the FIR as well as the charge sheet was registered under 292A, your lordship. Now 292A is, there is no proviso only for the state of Orissa and Tamil Nadu, your lordship. The provision of 292A does not lie in the state of Arunachal Pradesh, your lordship. That objection was made on the previous occasion since that there is no section with regard to 298A in the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Therefore, even the quashing, there would be difficulty in quashing of the said case, your lordship. And therefore, on the last occasion, the IO of the case was called for personal appearance to explain the entire situation, your lordship.
298 of the IPC.
Yes, your lordship.
292A, capital.
292A, your lordship.
292.
Your lordship won't be finding the same. Your lordship will find the same in the schedule.
Just a minute. 292A.
Yes.
Capital, Lordship.
Capital A.
Yes, Lord.
292, capital 293. But 292 is not here. This book is
Yes, your lordship will find that in the schedule instead.
schedule.
Yes, your lordship.
Last.
No, your lordship, in the last, your lordship, in the IPC last page, your lordship will find the schedule. Here. इसको दिखा दो. State of Orissa इसका. ये वाला है 339. इसको दिखा दो.
उनको दे दो.
PRPC है ना.
Two 292A. Yes. Printing, etc. Gross in the same.
Your lordship will see the above of the columns, state amendments, your lordship.
Oh, yes.
292A has, as per the state amendments of Orissa and Tamil Nadu, your lordship, 292A is applicable only to these two states, your lordship.
Orissa and Tamil Nadu.
Yes, your lordship. By an amendment, they have made this to this section applicable in their IPC, your lordship.
So the charge sheet is filed under 292A.
Yes, your lordship.
Yes.
Now, what the difficulty was on the previous occasion, your lordship, that this criminal petition has been jointly filed by both the party only on the ground of settlement, your lordship. Now, when there is no proviso as such in the provision that the state is applicable to, your lordship, could a court quash the same, your lordship, only on settlement? If the quashing was on the terms of merit, your lordship, the court could have done the same, saying that this is not applicable to state and therefore on merit, your lordship. And therefore, on the last occasion, the IO of the case was personally being called for, your lordship.
You should better go to the trial court for discharge. Charge is framed or not?
Sir, yet not yes. Trial has not come.
Yes.
Better you try over discharging, then you come again.
Lordship, here, what happened? The both the petitioner and the complainant, they have mutually settled the dispute. Of course, the offense has been registered under wrongly registered, charge has been filed under 292A, of course, which is not applicable. But even then, apart from the wrongly registered section, the settlement, the dispute between the parties has been settled, Lordship.
No, you do one thing. First of all, you press for discharge in the trial court, then come again. I will keep it pending. Till then.
Lordship.
No, in that case, your lordship, they would be contradictory to the proviso of sub judice, your lordship. Since there is question.
Let the trial court do.
In fact,
Let us see.
in fact, your lordship, if I may, the IO is here, your lordship. If he has any explanation to be done, because if there is any corrigendum to be filed for the charge sheet already being filed, your lordship.
Explanation is not required because the law is very clear.
Yes.
The explanation is not required. I am giving you a chance to press for discharge in the trial court. Then you return it.
And since there is already an interim order staying that proceeding, your lordship,
Yes,
in that case, interim order may be vacated.
Okay, I will vacate the interim order.
Yes.
Heard Mr. G. Lolen. Oh, you were
K. Lolen, Lordship.
K. Lolen. Appearing for the petitioner. Heard MS J. Gini, the learned additional public prosecutor for the state of Arunachal Pradesh. Para. The learned counsels of both sides agree that the offense under section 292, capital A of the Indian Penal Code is applicable in the state of Odisha and Tamil Nadu only. Therefore, the petitioner is advised to move the trial court on that issue. The interim order staying the proceeding before the trial court stands vacated. List this matter again in the month of January, it will be better.
With an updated, your lordship, of the LCR.
January.
Updated LCR, your lordship. Not in him, withdraw. Not in him, withdraw.
List the matter in the month of January 2024. The updated scanned copy of the LCR shall also be sent by the trial court.
Lordship, may I have rephrased, by this order, Lordship may close this application order. If the trial court fail to consider my grievances, then of course,
you come back.
that I will file afresh. So
The
with
fresh
this
petition
observation,
is required. This petition will be considered.
Lordship.
It will be kept pending. These petitions will be kept pending.
Your lordship, if I may also suggest, your lordship, that why this order, your lordship, that he is advising to go to the lower court, your lordship, this petition may be disposed of, because if the trial court.
Okay, then the petitioner is advised to move the trial court to that effect. With the aforesaid direction, the present criminal petition stands disposal.
Yes.
it will be better.
Yes. Deeply obliged.
Deeply obliged.
এটা মধ্যে বা ঢাকা বসুন দিই অর্ডারটা বা ঢাকা বসতে পারে Yes.
LC was called for, but not yet received.
LCR not received.
Not yet received.
The LCR is not yet, the LCR has not been received till now. The office is directed to procure the LCR. When it will come? In the month of December.
After receipt of the LCR.
List this matter again after receipt of the LCR.
Scan copy.
My lord, interim order is there, which may
The
be
interim
continued.
order past LS will continue until then.
Obliged.
None appears for appellant on call. List in the month of December 2023 for hearing. Item number 25.
Please, my lord. My lord, I'm appearing on behalf of
Yes.
A side, my lord. The matter may be fixed on 20th November.
28th November.
Yes.
28th November.
Next week, my lord.
Next week.
I am under instruction, my lord, to
Okay.
appear on behalf of respondent number 2, my lord.
Okay. Hard learned counsel, Mr. Ibam. Your name is?
A. Timung, my lord, on behalf of A. Sahid.
A. Timung appearing for the petitioner. Hard Mr.
K. Tamam,
K. Tamam appearing for the respondent number
2, my lord.
2. After hearing the learned counsels of both sides, the matter is adjourned today. When do you want it?
Tuesday, next week, Tuesday, 28th,
28.
my lord.
List on 28 November.
Highly honored.
Okay. The list is finished. Thank you, Madam. Okay.